All right, this video goes out to my buddy Johnny at Expert Boxing, expertboxing.com. In this video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of my heavy bag routine when I was competing. And basically, this is what I would do on a non-sparring day. On sparring days, what I'd usually do is I wanted to get 10 rounds total. So however many rounds I did of sparring, if I did 6, I'd bang out 4 on the bag. If I only did 4 rounds of sparring, I'd get 6 rounds on the bag. But anyways, on a non-sparring day, this would be my routine, and I'm going to show you guys what I would do and how I organize it, because half the battle is staying motivated, and so it helps to have some variety and have some things to do that are fun. And so I'm going to break it down for you right now real quick. All right?
Round 1. All right, first thing I'd like to do is start off with the jab. Getting my legs, hands and feet warmed up, gauging timing, distance, moving my head before I jab, moving my head after I jab, creating angles. I'm just starting to think about how I'm going to set up other shots in the later round. Round 2, southpaw. Just to balance out my body, work different shots and angles. You never know when you're going to need this tactic, strategy in sparring or in a fight. So it's good to have it. One round I dedicate to southpaw. Round 3. Head movement. I would emphasize slipping, ducking, snapbacks, move my head after I punch, move my head before I punch. Extra emphasis on head movement, quick snap and slip, always moving that head. Alright, rounds 4, 5, 6, fight pace. This is where I'm throwing fast combos, flurries of combos, moving my head, creating angles, keeping my footwork active, just moving exactly how I move in a fight, keeping the pace high, keeping the pressure on. Alright, round 7, being cagey, slick, on the outside, faking, picking my shots. Not so busy with the hands, but picky with my shots. Quick, in and out, boom, boom, and back out again. Just being cagey and cautious. Alright, round 8. Hand speed and punch volume. Short, quick punches, just to get the looseness, speed, fluidity in my hands. Nothing particular. Just let my mind go free and let my hands go. Alright, next round, power shots. Bend my knees, furrow my brow, turn my hips and shoulders, get everything into these shots. Bad intentions on these shots. Final round, after my legs were spent and I was tired, working on the inside, making it ugly, getting in uncomfortably close up against the bag, slipping and dipping, moving my head, working the body, working the head, turning the guy, creating angles, just staying busy. Alright, so I hope this helps you guys, give you some ideas of different ways to work the heavy bag. Hopefully you can add some of this stuff to your routine. Hopefully it takes your boxing to the next level. Thanks for watching. Peace.